Hello lovely stitchers and welcome to another unboxing. Hopefully not the last unboxing, but with my huge um, DHL tariff bill of $169, it might be my last one. So before I begin, I want to talk about what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my German hat, which takes 30 minutes to make, very easy. And the pattern is on my Shopify, and also my peacock robe. And again, the pattern is very simple. The embroidery is beautiful, but you don't actually need an embroidery frame to do it. So I should do another video on that pretty soon. And anyway, so let me begin. So these threads are from Japan, and I'm opening the box, which is taped really well. Just stabbed myself. Yay, wear white. White silk, no less. Okay. So I've kind of forgotten what I got. So this will be an unboxing for me too. It's been a while. Alright. Okay. Well, first off, I see this right here, which is 4,000 yards of gold plate over silk. This is non-tarnishing. So I've got 3 of those, and these are on my Shopify already. Then I have, this. So I just added this. This is dark classic gold. This is the incredible color. If you want your own cone, it's $89. So this right here, I have no recollection of what this is or when I ordered it. So that must have been an impulse buy. Oh wait, no, I remember now. This is my 0.35 millimeter for lace making. So it's a whole cone, gold plate for lace making. And I bought 2 of them. Completely forgotten that. All right, so this is my classic gold light. This is my classic gold 17. This is my classic gold 18. These colors, they're both classic gold. As you can see, one is very slightly darker than the other. This is the one I use the most, and it's the one I sell the most. It's the one most people like. Okay, so then I have this little set that has a dark silver. It's a silver leaf, gold leaf, gold leaf, gold leaf. And I will probably use these in my kits. I'll probably take them off and use my bobbin winder. My brand new bobbin winder I just got in yesterday for the kits. So another set, and so it's got a couple different shades of gold. Again, so I've got, like, this is the 129 color. 129, 18, 119, 119. So I've handled them so many times, I know what they are just by looking at them. Silk. All right, so this is my silk for my peacock embroidery kit, which will be out end of this year. I don't think it won't be anytime soon. So in particular, I wanted this color right here. That's going to be beautiful. So I need to get those on bobbins. All right, so I have more of this for lace. And this is my classic color 18, 400 yards, or excuse me, 4,000 yards. Sorry about that. All right, so this is fun stuff. I have lots of silvers and golds. So these, here are these. This is the 0.27 millimeter, and it's very easy to work with, and it doesn't tangle. It's perfect. It's what I started out doing the embroidery when I did my very first, my big Catherine Parr. This is what I started out with, but it's incredibly hard to get this in any quantity. So I switched over to the 0.15. which is very, very, very fine, and I like it because it's shiny, but it will tangle. So you have to be really careful with that. So these are all, and each one of these are $11. They're just very inexpensive. Although if I add the tariff cost in, it might be a bit more. So this is my, I think this is my 0.50. This is what I use for like my flower cluster embroidery kit. It's incredibly easy to use. It doesn't tangle. It's surface couching, not passing thread. And here I have some more of the silver plate, non-tarnishing 0.25 millimeter. Again, very easy to work with. Okay, this is fun. So again, this is for my peacock embroidery kit, which will come out at some point. Hopefully very soon. If the next test stitch goes really well, it'll come out very soon. All right, so what this is colored silver leaf broad plate. And there we go. So it just gives us incredible, it's silver leaf, it gives it, or except, and gold leaf, but I didn't buy the gold leaf in this one. And it just gives us incredible sheen. And again, it's for the stem, the feathers on the peacock. So what are you? So this is my 0.35 millimeter. Again, this is for lace making. So we have both the cones and we have the hanks. You can also use this for passing thread if you're working in linen or something else that's a little bit looser weave, and you can use it in weaving. You can use it in like braiding. So it's super, super versatile. It's the only size that will do everything from bobbin lace making up to weaving and embroidery. So some more 2.7 millimeter. Getting silver is really, really hard. So whenever I see that anybody has silver, I buy it all, as you can see. And my last is my favorite size, my favorite color. This is the largest size made. Each one of these are 500 yards. It weighs a lot. Yeah, metal threads, they're heavy, weightlifting. So this is the one I use on everything. In fact, I have used it here. So here on the peacock, I'm sitting on part of it. I'm using double strands of this. So it's two strands, each one of these are double strands. And it's so pretty. See how shiny it is? This is why I can't stop doing embroidery, because it's so beautiful to look at. So that's it. Thank you for watching my unboxing, and hopefully this won't be our last one. Pray that these tariffs get settled, and everybody have a great and wonderful day. Go out and do something fun, be kind to people, and pet kitties and doggies, and I will see you next one. Thanks, lovely stitchers. Bye.